Namaste to all from Kaveri Nisargadama, Coorg. After visiting the Golden Temple, Coorg, now we have come to Kaveri Nisargadama. This is the ticket counter where you have to purchase the ticket to enter the Nisargadama. Per person they are charging 60 rupees. There is sufficient parking space outside the Nisargadama. We took this raw mango, not raw, not exactly ripe also. It is semi-ripened mango at Kaveri Nisargadama. This is the entrance of Kaveri Nisargadama. Kaveri Nisargadama is an island which is surrounded by Kaveri River. It's about 7 kilometers from Golden Temple, Bailukuppe. As you enter the Nisargadama, there is a hanging bridge. This Nisargadama is accessible through this hanging bridge. You can see a small stream flowing below this bridge. This hanging bridge is shaking a little. This bridge is built on Kaveri Nadi. A small stream is flowing from here. This place is in Kushal Nagar. This Kaveri Nisargadama is located at Kushal Nagar, Kodagu. Kodagu, the other name is Coorg. There is boating facility also here. You can see some pedal boats here below the bridge. If you want to go for boating, then you have to take this route. Inside this Nisargadama, there is a cafe and a shop which sells spices and dry fruits. Here, all kind of spices are available. As Kerala is very near to this place, what I feel is maybe all these spices may be coming from Kerala. Coorg is famous for coffee, and most of the people have coffee plantations here. From here you can buy the souvenirs if you want to gift anybody. There is a small temple dedicated to Kaveri Mate. This is the route map of this area of Kaveri Nisargadama. There are some statues with Kodava outfit which represents their culture and tradition. There are some animals like deers, rabbit and peacock. Other than that, there is nothing here. The whole area is not maintained well. As you walk 1 kilometer inside this Nisargadama, you can hear the sound of a flowing river. And we are nearing to that. That is the Kaveri Nadi flowing from here. And here is the Nadi. It's the river Kaveri. At the entrance we saw a hanging bridge, and this Nadi and this river flows till there. All the way from here it flows through that route.
गोल्डन टेम्पल करेक्ट उसमें रहता है।
अभी जाके आए हम लोग उधर
जगह है,
बहुत अच्छा
बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है।
फिर सरा मोनास्ट्री भी अच्छा है।
कौन सा?
सरा मोनास्ट्री उधर से जाना, गोल्डन टेम्पल से ऑटो में जाने से 80 रुपया लेता है।
ओके।
सरा मंदिर में टूरिस्ट नहीं आता, टूरिस्ट नहीं है, ओनली लामा। बहुत लोग हैं 간디 보냈어. 가를 어떻게 가서 다 보면서 그냥 1 लाख 2 लाख है तरह
यहाँ पे है आप लोग?
यहाँ पे
ओके, टिबेटियंस
हाँ टिबेटन्स दलाई लामा मालूम है
मालूम है ना,
मालूम है?
आपको मिला
इंडिया में है ना।
हाँ इंडिया में धर्मशाला में है अभी पहले महीना ये आया क्या कहते हैं मुनकोट
मुंदगोड़ मुंदगोड़ मुंदगोड़
उत्तर पिचा का नदिया अभी धर्मशाला वापस चल गया न्यू ईयर बनाना
फिर आप खाना पीना उधर ही?
खाना पीना हम लोग जमीन खाता ना
हाँ,
फार्मर जमीन कम खाता है
हाँ।
कितने साल से है आप लोग इधर?
हम लोग इधर तो 61 ईयर हो गया
तो बचपन में आए थे।
हम टिबेटन माने 5 ईयर्स है और अभी 72 ईयर्स हो गया
फिर शादी इधर ही किया?
हाँ इधर ही शादी इधर ही बच्चे बच्चा लोग इधर स्कूल पढ़ के फिर मिलिट्री जाके
आर्मी में जाए।
आर्मी जाके कॉलेज जाके ऐसा।
ओके, नाइस।
आप लोग कहाँ से है?
हम लोग कर्नाटका का ही है,
कर्नाटक है
बेलगांव करते हैं।
बेलगांव
हाँ।
मुनकोट
हाँ, मुनगोड़ से आगे, मुनगोड़ से आगे। ओके ओके, मालूम है ना?
उधर में हम लोग सूटर पेपर करने वाले है ना वो टिबेटन
हाँ है ना,
सूटर है
थोड़ा है, ज्यादा नहीं।
हाँ. We are standing in between the stream. This is the Kaveri Nadi flowing. So beautiful. This place is peaceful and calm.
The river is very shallow. You can see the crystal clear stream that glide over the smooth stones and soft sand bed. It's very soothing to dip your feet and simply sit and watch the water flow by.
The water is flowing from there, from all.
Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, reflecting off the rippling surface like scattered silver, especially during the golden evening.
Yes, come here, so nice. Hi guys.
This is a very beautiful place with a scenic view. The only two attraction inside this Kaveri Nisargadama are the hanging bridge and the flowing stream of Kaveri river. This river flows around this place, making it look like an island. After spending more than 1 hour near this Kaveri river stream, we then thought of going to Madikeri and check into our hotel. The journey from Bangalore to Madikeri was very beautiful with amazing scenic views.
It's 6 o'clock in the evening. We just arrived at Madikeri. We have checked into this hotel named Kurk Palace. Our room is on the 4th floor. Let's see the room how it is. A quick room tour. There's a small balcony. The view is quite beautiful. You can see the mountains, and the weather is a bit misty, filled with fog.
The room is quite decent with a beautiful view. In front of the hotel, there is a main road. The Madikeri city is just 2 kilometers away from here. This is all in this video. If you all like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next vlog where I'll be showing you the city of Madikeri.